Okay, you can turn around. Hi, baby. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Ready to do this thing? Chicken wing?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. We're getting married.
Get married.
We're getting married. Jordan, my best buddy, today's our day. We're finally here. You are so perfectly my favorite person, and I am endlessly grateful for every moment we've shared the last 6 years and 2 days.
You always ask me to try and tell you how much I love you. It's not a fair question. There is not a word or thing in this world I can compare to the way I love you.
I've had to make 1,000 decisions throughout my life, and I can say without a doubt, marrying you is the easiest decision I will ever make.
You look beautiful.
The light in your eyes comes over me just like a sunrise. You set a scene, turning my gray skies blue, just like you always do. I don't want anyone else, 'cause I know there's not anyone else that makes me feel the way you do. It's easy to prove I don't want anyone else but you.
As we come here together in this beautiful setting, surrounded by the warmth of friendship and the radiance of love, let us take in the feeling of this moment as we embark on a journey of laughter, tears of joy, and unforgettable memories.
I choose you, Melissa, to be my wife.
I choose you, Jordan, to be my husband.
Let us live and laugh together
Always striving.
to see the best in one another
I promise to love you
with all my heart
until the end.
and power forever.
I will cherish you, support you, and love you with all that I am for all that we have ahead of us.
I will fight for you every day as fiercely and loyally as I know how. I just want you. I just need you. You are my home. You own my heart. Forever and ever, I love you. I love you.
You have pledged yourselves to each other in the presence of your loving friends and family. So I now declare you to be husband and wife. Jordan, you may kiss your bride.
I don't want anyone else, 'cause I know there's not anyone else that makes me feel the way you do. It's easy to prove I don't want anyone else but you.
I got to see this relationship grow and prosper and turn into the beautiful marriage that we saw today. And I'm very happy for the two of you, and I hope that I'll be there in your shoes one day.
Jordan, I'm proud to welcome you into our family as my brother, and I trust that you will live for Melissa just as you've been doing for these past years. My biggest hope for you is that you will enjoy growing old with her as much as I enjoyed growing up with her.
I've watched you, and I am proud to call you my son-in-law. I know you will take care of my daughter, and I know you're going to watch over her. I can't explain to you how happy I am that you found each other.
Mom, I love you more than I could ever speak into words, and I feel blessed every day that God chose you for me. There won't be a bouquet toss tonight. I will be dedicating my bouquet to my beautiful mother.
To Jordan and Melissa, may all your hopes, dreams, and wishes come true. We all love you.
I don't want anyone else,